Hello, everyone, and welcome to another signing that we're showing off with CodeSign Secure, our code signing platform. Now, today I'll be showing you our GPG signing. It utilizes many of the common GPG signing methods you'll tend to see, and I'll actually start off just by showing you the agent. I've done all the setup here already, but with this command, this ps-aef, and then the line, and then grep GPG, we can specifically see the GPG agent running. Now, that's really great just in case you run into any agent issues while you're doing, your different processes and things like that. I'll also show you our list keys command. So here we'll see our certain role test certificate or key that we'll be using to sign with. And we also get the actual hash of it, which is what we'll use in the actual signing process. Now, if I pull up that signing command, so this is the basic structure of our signing with GPG. We specify GPG and that we're signing. We specify our default key, and like I mentioned, with the list keys command, you actually get this hash that we need to specify with the default key, and then we just provide the file we're signing. So it's quick, it's easy, it's simple, it'll run pretty swiftly. There's different things, these warnings that are popping up, they're nothing, vital or anything that's actually breaking. It's just basically saying certain permissions are in place on this home directory that are unsafe. But we do get a specification that we're using this key as the default secret key for signing. And since we have already done this signing before with this file, this test file.txt.gpg already exists. So I'm just going to specify, yes, I want to overwrite. It'll overwrite that file and create the sign file. And as we can see, there's no other output, so no erroring out with the command or anything like that. And if we go ahead and run our verify command, which what we're providing here, instead of the testfile.txt, we're providing testfile.txt.gpg. So that is the actual signed file that we created when we did the signing process. So if we just run this through the verify command, we'll see when the signature was made. We'll see the actual date and timestamp and everything like that. The RSA key used, so we can compare this to our get keys or list keys output, and we can see that they're the same. And we see that we have a good signature from this cert enroll test with the actual signing email that is attached to it. So that's everything I have for you today with GPG signing. We hope we get to see you again in our next code signing video where we demonstrate our different tools there as well.